Windows 11 has a built-in split screen feature that makes it way easier to multitask without having to add a second monitor, and most users have no idea it exists. Let me show you how to use it. There's a few ways to do this in Windows 11, and we're gonna start with the easiest method, which is the click, drag, and then snap method. So all you have to do is click the top of the bar. I always do the top left, drag it over to where you want it, let it go, and it'll snap into place. It's that simple. Click, drag it to the side you want, snap, it goes into place. Now, once you do this, Windows will automatically show you all of the other applications you have open, so you can select something for the other side. For example, here I have a website, and I'm also going to choose this Notepad app to go on the other side so that I can fill it out and take notes as I read the website. Now, this next method is the keyboard shortcut method, and it's my absolute favorite and the one I use all the time. What we want to do is click the window that we want to send either to the left or to the right, and then we simply do Windows key and either left or right arrow. For example, if I want to do it with the website, I would do Windows key and left arrow, snap, there it goes to the left. And if I wanted to get the Notepad file on the other side, I would do Windows key and right side, and it'll send it to the right. It's that simple. Just using your keyboard, you never have to drag, drop, and try to be precise. You just hit that Windows key and left arrow to send it left, Windows key and right arrow, send it right. The previous two methods work for both Windows 10 and 11, but this next one is Windows 11 specific, and it's actually really cool because it's something new they added. If you go up to the top right of any window and find that square for maximize, that's what they call that, the maximize button, you'll actually get a built-in layout option called Snap Layouts. This lets you organize multiple apps at once really quickly. For example, here, it's got the two boxes, the left and the right option. You can even go up to 4, but I'm gonna show 2 for the example. I can hit the left side, boom, there goes my window, hit the right side, boom, goes there the other one, right? So it's pretty awesome, it's really quick. I'm getting used to it, I'm using it more because it is a new Windows 11 feature, but I'll be honest, I'm kind of stuck back on the keyboard method, but this might be the right one for you. This is a super useful feature if you're trying to do things like copy information between windows, like let's say you get a code, you need to get into an account, pull up your email on one side, grab the code, slap it into the website on the other side. Following a tutorial while working, comparing documents, answering emails while browsing, or watching something while multitasking. Like this video, if you wanted to pull the video up to one side and then put a notepad or Word doc on the other side and fill it out, take notes, that's exactly what this is for. All right, everyone, that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop down below, hit that like and subscribe, and share it with a friend. Leave a comment, I love to read them. And if you're having trouble with your computer, just remember, we do tech support. So reach out to us here at My Computer Works. The number is always at the beginning of the video, down in the description. Yeah, all the places. Go grab it, give us a call, we'll help you out. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you on the next one.